All right, today we're going to bring a projector. This is a 1080 projector. Now this one has auto keystone. That means that if you rotate it pretty much anywhere in a direction that there's an uneven wall, this will automatically fix itself. Rotation, you can set this up however you want. It has a flat surface. It has a nice little grip here. You could do wireless display through your phone or your iPad. It has Bluetooth, which is 5.4. And it also has Wi-Fi. It could support 2.4 gigs and 5 gigs too also. So either way that you have the hertz, you could support it. On the back of it is very simple. You got your, in the back it's very simple. You got your USB, which is the type A. You could connect your module, which USB thumb drive, with your movies and so forth. HDMI, it has audio connection, plug for the power button, and then IR connection in the front, which is for the remote. So they also include an HDMI cable, a control with no batteries. You have to require 2 AA batteries, power on, home button, and features that you need to be aware, which is the volume and also the settings. And also you can use this as a mouse, a left click and right click, and then other things. So let's go ahead and put it together and see how loud this guy gets and how it works. All right, so here's the actual projector screen. When you come in here, you get greeted with this. Now you have a couple options. I'm going to show you the options that you got. All right, first of all, you got Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, media, and this is wire screen, and this is wireless screen. So if you're going to do Apple or Droid, you can do that. HDMI and settings. Now for the wireless display, you have to be in the same network as the actual system that you're going to display. All right. Now here we have Bluetooth that we could turn on. Media, what media is in case you want to watch some movies from a thumb drive, or also you can go in here and look for your actual thumb drive, your ebooks and so forth. You can see all that stuff, and the buttons you can always go back from your controller. All right, so there's other options. I'm going to show you the other options. Now you get a bunch of HDMI, media, home. So I'm going to go home. If you do widescreen, you could do wireless. So right now we're going to plug in our one of our PlayStations. We're gonna plug in our computer. We're gonna plug in a couple things so you guys can see what I'm talking about. If you guys can see, as soon as I plug it in, there's a USB right now that just popped up right now in that corner here, meaning that there is audio and videos. To connect a device into the system, you would have to go into the corner here where it says wireless screen. So we're going to go in here, and here it's going to give you the actual instructions how to do it from your Windows computer, your Samsung computer, your Samsung phone, your iPhone, and everything else. So I'm going to block a couple things out so you guys won't see it, but let me go ahead and connect to the wireless device so you guys can see the sharing. So right now it's giving an IP and all that information. We're going to go ahead and plug into our system. All right, right now we just mirror into the system itself. So I have my phone set up in here. So we're playing out of our phone. So if you want to play games, you can play games through here using your OS systems or your Wi-Fi or your PS5.
Unit 12, acknowledging dispatch. Already in pursuit.
Alright, this is idle, perfect to take with you anywhere. It's very compact, very small, very quiet. You can't even hear the fans. All you got to do is remember to focus, alright? When it changes projection, you got to make sure it focus. I like the system. It's very durable, very small, petite, easy to take with you. You can put it in your room, set it up for your ceiling and so forth. And also, one more thing, when you set up and you change it, every time you change it to wall to wall, you have to focus it. That's the only thing you have to do. The remote control is very simple to set up. You got your power buttons and everything else to light it up, and also to go home, it's very simple, and to go back. All right, let me show you something about the projector screen. If you guys can see the screen, it's playing from here. We got a wide angle, but look at this. I'm gonna move it to the ceiling, all right? And look what it does. It automatically focuses in, not focus, but changes direction. See the pillar? I'm gonna do it again so you guys can see it. Automatically changes direction so you could view it right. It sets up perfectly. So that's one thing. When you move it up and down, it has the auto adjustment, and the quality of it is really good. Like right now, I'm using my regular wall. You can use this if you're laying down in the bed. Just put it over your ceiling, and look at that. All you gotta do is focus in. That's pretty much it, right? So we'll put it back to this wall. Look how fast it goes. See? Very simple to actually set up. Move it around anywhere in the room you want. If you want to project any direction you want, you can. That's one of the things I like about this projector. Very simple to use and easy to focus. And it's not that loud. It's very quiet with the fan noise. If you put the Bluetooth audio, even better. So if you have headsets or head speakers, or something you want to set up, you can do that too. Put a surround sound, watch your favorite movies, pretty much anywhere. And like I said, look at the quality. I don't even have a backdrop. It's just the wall. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.